In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Tundra key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This is a very simple process, but you will need just one of these CR 2016 batteries. If you don't know where to get one of those, or you would just like to get one online, I will put a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks, and then you can just go ahead and follow along. The first step is to look up on the top of the device where the keyring attaches. There is this little indentation in the plastic. We're going to take a regular flathead screwdriver and insert it in there and twist to open this up. But make sure the back of the device is facing up when you do this. You don't want the buttons facing up because these little plastic buttons will fall out. So let's go ahead, I'll show you that. Putting the tool into the opening and twisting. It will crack this open and we can just pull the back off there. And now you can lift out this component. You can see here are the batteries and they are loose in there. So just set those, the buttons are loose in there. You can just set that down carefully so they don't fall out. Now you can just look at the little instructions on the back. It says use coin to open and it points right there. We're gonna use the same flathead screwdriver because we already have it out, but feel free to use a coin if you prefer. And we're just inserting it into this opening right under this black plastic and just twisting again. And it will crack open very easily and you can just open it up with your fingers. And once more with the very same tool, we are going to pry the battery out. So I'm going to insert it behind the battery up on the top here. And you can see how easy that just popped out. Let me show you that once more. I'm just putting my flathead screwdriver behind the battery and I'm going to put my thumb on top so it doesn't fly out. Just push down. Get behind and push down and it comes out very, very easily. This is a CR 2016 battery, just to reiterate that. And if you don't know where to get that, check the link in the description. It'll be right there for you. And make sure when you're putting the battery in, the new battery in, the positive side goes face up. So we're going to click that in there, plus sign facing up. And now we just need to put it all back together. So this on top of there, squeeze it together, and now just carefully pick this up so the buttons don't fall out. And set that right on top. It will slide down, or you push it down in there and it'll sit securely. And you can just finally click the back on there. And that is really all it takes. I hope that was simple enough and I hope that helped you out. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every device from every maker model. And you can also see all that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.